What's up, Slay? Hey guys, and welcome. I forgot this game name. Oh my gosh. How could you start a video without knowing the game? Okay, let's just forget about I said that. What's up? King Ramil here, guys, and welcome, YouTube, to this game that I have no idea. But it is the best game ever. Let's try corridors. Die, fangs. Well, I know what to do. Get extra money. Oh crap. Fatties. Where are you at? These zombies are so easy to kill. Oh my goodness. Get kicked. Die, fatties. I'm sorry for the late posts. Guys, I've been away for a while. I've been thinking about Christmas. And guys, if you are interested and you want me to do giveaways and stuff, just leave a like and comment down to say I want to. That's all you have to do. And then you could be entered in the giveaway. Then I could probably start doing giveaways. It matters. You know, guys? Can we reach up to 6 likes? Who knows? Yeah, that's our goal of this video. And everyone knows we can do it because I got the last video I got 28 likes. With Curse Brown. I got 28 likes. Die. Okay, this is getting too boring. So let me just exit and let's have more fun. I know what to do. Training. Even though, let's do this amount of zombies. And let me get the best gun in the best shotgun in the whole game. These two. Why y'all? Oh! Y'all sound like Patric the Star talking some lag. Well then. Yeah, that's better. Let's see how this works out. Squad up. Squad up. Ooh, headshots for days. Okay, that did nothing. Wait, I want to see how much kills I could get with the revolver and whatever this gun is. Okay. Headshot. Headshot. Headshots. Headshots for days. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hot sauce. Oh my god. Well then. 26 kills. Let's go. Y'all all know what time it is. Because I don't. I think it's like 4 o'clock, to be honest. Yep, get fired up. Get fired up. Get fired up. Well then. 19 kills, seriously? I did more damage with the pistols. How is that even possible? Okay. You know what? CPU ads. Okay. Literally. Okay. Let me get the arrow and the launcher. Sound like some dogs when y'all came in. Seriously? I kicked him and he stayed saying, why is there so much lag? Guys, I'm sorry if you're seeing the lag too. I don't even know. Even though it's not my fault. Sorry. I think it's the bars on these zombies right now. Sit down. Be humble. Yeah, I just said be humble. Fight me. Okay, which guns? The Scar and whatever this gun is. I love this car. It's a personal favorite to many Fortnite players. Guys, if you like PS4s and if you have an Xbox, you need to get a life. I survived 24 seconds. Let me see if I can survive a whole minute. I know I can survive a whole minute with. I can survive a whole minute with this. And this. No! And this. It's an actual shotgun. Rapid fire. I'm tweaking. I forgot what the name is. Back off. It's litty. Oh. 37 seconds, not even close. But 56 kills though. Turn up. Alright, can we survive more than 36 seconds with these two? Hopefully. Die, zombies. Oh, no, I'm dead. Nope. Yeah, I'm dead. Well then. This was it for today's video, guys. If you want more and you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, do the exact same thing. See you guys on the next episode. Bye.